Hello students, today I'll give you revision questions of class 7 subject chemistry, revision of chapter 1 matter and its composition. Let us see the revision questions. First of all, diagrams on page number 5 and 6. On page number 5, one figure is given, figure 1.2. Three diagrams are there. First is formation of a hydrogen molecule. Two hydrogen atoms combine together to form one molecule of hydrogen. In second diagram is sulfur molecule. A molecule of sulfur is shown. In one molecule of sulfur there are 8 atoms. That means 8 atoms of sulfur combine together to form a molecule of sulfur. Then in the third diagram, helium atoms are shown because helium atoms do not combine together to form any group. They remain single. Then come to the diagram of page number 6. Page number 6, two diagrams are there, figure 1.3 and figure 1.4. In the first figure 1.3, it is shown how water molecules are formed. One hydrogen molecule combines with one atom of oxygen molecule to form one molecule of water. Similarly, another molecule of hydrogen will combine with another atom of the same oxygen molecule and it will form another molecule of water. In this way, water molecules are formed. Second figure is showing how carbon dioxide molecules are formed. One carbon atom combines with one molecule of oxygen to form one molecule of carbon dioxide. Similarly, this carbon atom will combine with one molecule of oxygen and will form another molecule of carbon dioxide. Similarly, this will also combine and another atom of carbon will combine with other molecule of oxygen to form a molecule of carbon dioxide. Now come to page number 7. Page number 7, differences between the three states of matter are given. Table 1.1. This is very important table to focus on because in this table you come to know the differences between the three states of matter, solids, liquids and gases, as well as you come to know the properties of different states of matter. So you focus on this table, it will clear the concept of this chapter. Now come to page number 9. Page number 9, I have given the revision questions in the previous video. Short and precise. A number, question number 2. B number, I have given question number 1. But add 2 more questions. Question number 3, a liquid can flow. And question number 5, the particles in solids do not change their position. In question number C, the revision question is question number 2. Then come to page number 10. Page number 10, the revision questions are question number 4. Give the uses of CNG and LPG. Question number 5. What is an element? Question number 6. Why is carbon dioxide a compound? And question number 7. What is the particle theory? You have to practice these questions, learn these questions and focus on these questions more. And lastly, come to at length. At length, question number A, differentiate between question number 1, solids, liquids and gases. Question number 3, elements and compounds. C number, answer in detail. In this 3 questions I am giving you for revision. Question number 1, with the help of an activity, show that matter has mass. We have discussed all these questions. With the help of an activity, show that matter occupies space. And question number 5. Discuss the arrangement of particles in solids, liquids and gases. Revise these questions, focus on these questions and learn this question so that you will get a clear idea about this chapter. One more thing I want to discuss, you have to focus on this also. Page number 3, particle theory of matter. Two terms are very important: interparticle or intermolecular force. Both are same thing, interparticle force or intermolecular force, and interparticle space. These two terms you have to learn, you have to understand, and you have to focus on the arrangement of particles in solids, arrangement of particles in liquid and arrangement of particles in gases. In the next video, we will discuss few revision questions of chapter 2.